Okay, you guys, this is going to be a very quick video. I am going to make my first ever succulent arrangement. And you might have seen this in the previous video. These are some of the succulents that I purchased from Amazon over here. We have a few more over here that I purchased from Amazon. And this I purchased from Amazon as well. So I will link the video down below. Where I will also include the links where you guys will find the links if you guys want to purchase these ceramic planters, and they come with a hole already and with the bamboo tray. So let's get started.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
guys, so here is the final product, and I added a few little stones around the edge right here. This is really pretty. I like these different succulent types. So you can see it's easy to make, it's easy to do. This one right here is so delicate that if you don't handle it with care, these little things right here easily break off. So, and of course, succulents thrive on dry soil, so do not overwater it, because succulents do retain most of the water in their leaves. So it is very easy to overwater them, and they can easily die. So I'll probably do it once a week, and I'll just check from there. And these are some of the, you see, this one fell off. I'm not sure if you can propagate this, but I'm gonna check. And these are just some of the dead leaves from the other succulents that I pulled out when I took them out from the original container. And I will probably do more because I do have this one left. I'm not 100% sure yet. I might do another type. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, this is it. Let me know if you guys have any questions and any tips, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.